Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to blur in CapCut. So first, you just have to simply import the video from your gallery or from your device. And then you have to drag that video right here. So this serves as your main video. And then you have to right click and copy or duplicate this video. To do that, you have to right click right here, Control C or copy, and then Control V or right click and then paste. Now, if you want to know more about shortcuts, you can tap this shortcuts above right here and see more information about shortcuts. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is you have to go to effects and then look for the blur effects. Now here you can tap this video effects and then go to the search bar and then search for blur. Now, once you found the blur effects right here, you have to download it first. So this is what it looks like. So let me download it first right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once done, then you have to drag that effect inside the second video. Okay, so you just have to follow what I'm doing right now. So it's inside this video, and as you can see, it's now blur. Now, what we're going to do is you can now drag this or adjust. For example, you just want this effect up to the middle of the video, you can do that. And once you have added the blur effect right here, just in case that you wanted to just blur a specific place in the video, you can do that. Also, once you click anywhere, that video effect or blur effect is now invisible. So to see that, you just have to right click the video and go to edit effects. Okay, and you will see the blur effect right here. Now, in order to just blur a specific place on this video, you just have to click the second video again and then go to video, tap mask. You can select from any of the shapes right here. I just say circle because I just want to blur the face or the head of this person right here. So place it, you can adjust, and this is what it looks like. So I have now blurred the face of the person. If you want to blur the body, the hand, everything is up to you. You just have to drag this blur icon or blur effect to anywhere in the video. So that's it. So basically, that's how you blur in CapCut. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.